TRX sprinters. So for our position with the TRX, you're going to need to have it fully lengthened, and depending on the height of your anchor, you may have to have it mid-length, but look in the notes, I will have that already in there for you. So simple setup, our back is facing the anchor. Notice the handles are underneath my armpit, again, and I can kind of lean into it. So these, again, once again, these hands are touching the front part of my shoulder. Here's my 45-degree angle. I'm going to inhale, step back, we call this the pocket, and then I'm up, and I can hold that for a second, and my left heel is up, my left foot is flat, and I'm up, boom. Inhale on the bottom, exhale on top, boom. You don't have to say boom. You may look in the notes, I may have you doing a hop at the end. So I drop back, and there's a hop, inhale on the bottom, exhale on top. Your focus would be when you are going back, you decelerate, so you're not breaking the fall. Enjoy the exercise.